In this video, we're going to show you how to install the ground terminal on your Nissan Murano located under the hood. Now with the hood open, go ahead and locate the battery on the driver's side of the engine compartment. We threw a rag down over the positive side. We don't want to drop a tool down and accidentally arc these two together on the battery. Now our ground terminal, with it tight, it's still loose. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and loosen and remove this nut right here using a 13 millimeter. Pull that off. Normally you could loosen that to pull it off, but well, ours just falls right off. And grab our new unit here. Install the washer and the nut. I'm going to go ahead and use my 10 millimeter socket on my little ratchet here. I'm going to go ahead and snug this down. You want to make sure that that is good and snug. Now we can go ahead and tighten down this here. Now this replacement nut here is a 12 millimeter on our unit. So I want to go ahead and snug that down. Give that a good twist. At this point here, you can go ahead and remove your rag and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.